Hello students, welcome to Northeast Skill Center's online classroom. I am your course trainer Tulika Kalita from Hospitality Food and Beverage Service, and our session for today is from our core module Integrated Food and Beverage Operations, and our topic of discussion will be Take Room Service Orders. This is a continuation from our previous class. Let us check what we have discussed in our previous class. So we have already learned about what is room service, what are the functions and responsibilities of room service department, what is the need of a room service department in a hotel, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of room service department. Before we proceed, let us go through the learning objectives of the lesson. So by the end of this session, all of you should be able to define what is a room service pantry, and you will also be knowing the room service equipments. What is a room service pantry? Dear students, before knowing about room service pantry, first let me tell you what is a pantry. A pantry is the adjoining area or room to the kitchen from where the finished food or a drink is ready to be served. This area serves as an ancillary capacity of the kitchen. The food is given final touch-up for presentation and then handed over to the serving staff. The pantry is often equipped with a sink attached with normal water and hot water taps. The pantry mainly has some of the necessary items like refrigerator, electric oven, toaster, coffee brewing machine, blender, electric food whisk, knives and chopping boards, hollowware like casserole, bowls and dishes of various sizes, crockery, drinkware, cutlery, etc. So when we say room service pantry, in short, we can define room service pantry as a storage room for keeping crockeries, linen, food, beverages and other equipments that are required in room service operations. Room service equipments. Room service will have some trays or trolleys set up with basic settings in preparation for service, just as a restaurant area will have places set up in preparation of guests. And if required, the room service will change the setting to suit the guest's order. So these are some of the room service trays and trolleys. Tea and coffee trays, ice buckets, breakfast trays and trolleys, snacks trays, dinner trays or trolleys, champagne or wine trays, fruit basket trays. Butters, condiments, bread baskets, hot boxes, racks, dispense bar are also some of the room service equipments. Students, the common meal setups are breakfast, main course and snacks items in room service department. So the room service staff will customize the setup to match the order. Generally, room service will use the same crockery, cutlery and glassware as well as the condiments as a restaurant setting depending on the order. Sometimes the setup may also include a vase or floral decoration and tray cards. Tray cards are used to give information to guests about clearance and to promote events or specials. So here we have come to the end of this session. Let us now summarize what we have learned today. We have learned what is a room service pantry and what are the room service equipments. Dear students, I hope all of you had a happy learning. In case of any doubts or queries, please feel free to call me, text me, or WhatsApp me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.